Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Mobile link, mobile device panel, Windows 11 start menu isn't appear. So guys, first click to start, setting, then personalization, scroll down, click to start. So please check this first is need to on. Okay, yeah, then close it. Again click to start and type setting, and then click to app, install app, then find out the phone link. If it is not showing here, so click start store. Then click phone link. Then click to library. Now, so this is already installed, I can see here. Phone link. Okay, so close it, then scroll down, come to setting and click system component. Now find out the phone link and click to start. Click on three dots, advanced options. Oh, it's close. Advanced options, then scroll down, then click to reset, and then repair, and then single click to terminate. Okay, and then close it. Then click to start and type cmd, run as administrator. Right click to run as administrator, and then click yes for the access, and then this type command, this command, and then hit enter, and then close it. Then click to start, type PowerShell, same right click to run as administrator, click to yes. So this commands for the re-register start menu experience. So click paste, edit and paste. Okay, this command. Okay, and then hit enter. So wait few seconds. Okay, then if this command is not accept, so try to this one. Okay, then next check the web experience and back. So re-enable for this command, and then hit enter. Now false, 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 and status is okay. Okay, then close it. Then next click to start, type cmd. Now again run as administrator, click to yes. Now need to check the verify the Windows version. So enter this command. I already entered the winver and then hit enter. So you can see here W20H2. Okay, and then close it. Then guys close it and then restart and please check it. You can see phone link shortcut create on this, right click to start bar. So you can create this. After that you can click and open it. Okay.